Usosopho omkhulu we-ANC uPhemi Majodina usenethemba lokuthi iqembu elibusayo lizokwenza kahle okhethweni lwangonyaka ozayo.
7 out of 10, and my reservation on the 3 is that we have 57% as the ANC in the national government. When we wanted to pass Section 25, which is a very critical piece of legislation to return the land to our people, we are unable to do that because those who are still enjoying our land, they mobilized against us, and you need 2/3 majority. And the other one is that this is 25th anniversary of the Constitution. That Constitution must be amended. That Constitution must be amended. Remember, this was a transitional Constitution to accommodate everyone. But now it does not do what we're expected to do. Hence, we're unable to pass that. The third one is that with the backlog in terms of the infrastructure, we have not, as this ANC caucus, monitored that we follow the money that was allocated to ensure that we eradicate the backlog. So that's the 3 that I'm taking away from the ANC.
Emva kwekhefu sobe sikuphathele udaba oluthi iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile lithi kuyakhathaza ukuthi kusekhona ukucwaswa kwabantu abasuleleka ngesifo sofuba. Usho lokhu njengoba kuqhakanjiswa isifo sofuba emhlabeni jikelele. Lolo daba lungezinye zendaba esokuphathela zona uma ngabe sibuya ezitolo.